Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna show you what big changes that this Windows update offer. Okay, how to update? Just simply search for Windows Update settings here, and once you click on open, you will be redirected here. So just check if your computer is in the latest version. Okay, so let's see what's good or what's great about this update. So this Windows 11 2024 update enhanced connectivity with the introduction of Wi-Fi 7, boost productivity with new quick settings, and improving accessibility with advanced assistive hearing devices support. So it has this new exclusive features, Copilot Plus pieces, where you can make new ways with live captions. It will translate, 44 languages to English subtitles. So you will definitely understand. It breaks the gap of, problem of languages. And then it also has this new feature where you can restyle an image and you can be an image creator. And under this Wi-Fi support, it will makes your gaming experience and video conferencing experience smoother and responsive. It will boost the connectivity and reliability as well as the efficiency of your device. And it has this new feature here in Bluetooth where it has this advanced accessibility with enabling direct pairing and audio streaming and more. Remote desktop enhanced connectivity and accessibility. So all of these things about these features is just so great in your computer. So if you haven't updated your machine into the latest update, then what are you waiting for? Just update it. Okay? So hopefully this video helps you more to know about this Windows 11 update. And make sure to subscribe and hit the like button to be updated into our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.